Um, I don't know, we've known each other for a while, but I don't know, we're still trying to get along with. Every time, like every morning, every evening, pretty much every day. Oh, his ticket vending machine. Station. So our elementary school children push here, then you can see the Jesus. Again? Too many 10 yen coins. Look at this. This is crazy. I think when he gets back lots of coins, especially 10 yen coins, this is the most annoying, like the annoyingest things I've ever experienced.
Please subscribe and check out other videos. Bye.